Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Beginner's Guide where we upload guide videos, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to turn off data roaming on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, let me explain what is data roaming. Data roaming permits internet access over a cellular data network when you're in a region not covered by your carrier's network. So, when you're traveling, you can turn off data roaming to avoid roaming charges. Now, to turn this feature off, first of all, go to your settings app, then tap on cellular, and if you have multiple SIM, select the SIM that you want to turn your data roaming off. For example, I'll select this one. Then you will see this option data roaming. If this is turned on, toggle this button to turn it off. And this is how you do it. If you want to turn it off in your other SIM, you can do the same step. First of all, tap on the SIM, then where you see data roaming, toggle this button off. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.